In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background colors in Base44. We'll walk through a simple process so you can quickly update the look and feel of your page, whether you're adjusting a section, a button, or another element in your design. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for inside the Base44 editor. First, make sure you're in the Base44 editor with the page you want to customize open in preview or edit mode. Once you're there, the very first thing you need to do is select the element whose background color you want to change. This might be a section, a container, a card, or even a single button. Move your mouse over the page and click directly on that element. You should see it become highlighted or outlined, and a settings panel will usually appear on one side of the screen. That's how you know the element is actively selected and ready to be edited. With your element selected, look to the side panel for the styling controls. Among these options, you'll find an area labeled Colors. This is where Base44 groups everything related to color styling, including backgrounds. Go ahead and click on Colors. If you don't see it right away, try expanding any collapsed sections in the Style panel, such as Appearance or Design, until the color controls are visible. Once you click into the Colors area, you'll see the current background setting for the element you selected. Now you're ready to change the background. Inside the color section, locate the background color control. This is usually shown as a color swatch or a small box filled with the current color. Click on that color box to open the color picker. From here, you can drag the cursor around the color palette, type in a specific hex or RGB code if you have brand colors, or adjust sliders for hue, saturation, and brightness. As you do this, you'll see the background of your selected element update in real time on the canvas. Take a moment to experiment until you find a color that works well with the rest of your design and is easy to read behind any text or icons. When you're happy with the new background color, simply click away from the color picker to confirm your choice. Don't forget to save or publish your changes in Base44 so the new background color is applied to your live page.